Hello everybody, my name's Ian and I build websites. Today I'm going to show you how to add a simple pop-up to your Joomla website. Okay, if we go to this website that I built previously, I've got a pop-up activated on here, and if I refresh the page, you'll see sliding in from the right is a pop-up promoting an upcoming exhibition. So let's close that. I'm going to put a pop-up on my demo website, skakarate.org.uk. This is the website that I use to show all of my demos and YouTube video examples. Let's go to the dashboard for skakarate.org.uk. I've already installed the pop-up extension. The one that we're going to be using is called EngageBox. If you don't know how to install it, just go to System, Install Extensions, Install from Web, and type in Popup. Now, the first extension that comes up is EngageBox, which is the one that we're using. This is actually the paid-for version, but if you click through here and follow the links, it will take you to the free version and you can install that. Okay, let's go back to Components and EngageBox. We don't have any pop-ups on here at the moment, so I can just click New. Now, there are plenty of pre-made templates. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, loads for the free version, and more if you pay for the pro version. This second one down, look, if we click on preview here, this is the slide in pop-up from the right, the same one that I've used on the Plain Arts website. So there, slides in from the right, look, just the same. And I've just used this as a template and gone in and edited it. So remove the text, added more. So let's close that. I'm going to make a simple blank pop-up because I just want a square appearing in the middle of the screen. So let's click on blank pop-up. Here's the content box. Let's give it a title first. So I'll call it pop-up. I don't want to show the title on the pop-up, but I do want it enabled. So let's put some content in there. I'm going to go to the demo website here and just copy this text and paste it into the pop-up. So my pop-up's just going to show upcoming events. The editor, look, is the same editor that you see on articles, and it works in exactly the same way. So you can put in hyperlinks, images, change font sizes. So let's put in an image here. We'll put in the we'll upload the logo perhaps. Just go to downloads, new logo here. I'll upload this. Select it. It's a little bit big at 500 pixels, so let's make it 250 pixels wide and insert it. There we go. So that's our pop-up made. Let's have a look at other things we can do with the design. We're having this pop-up appear middle center of the page, but you can have it top left, top center, top right. So sliding in from top right. You can put a shadow on the pop-up, put a border around, where the close button is, so the X, and the type of button that you're using, an image or an icon. We'll stick with icon. The behavior, we want our pop-up to appear on page load. You can do it on page ready. If you go for the pro version, you can do it when you leave the page. You can have a floating button on the page. So there are different options here, look. You can also limit the impressions. So I'm quite happy to have this pop-up showing every time someone comes into the website or goes onto that page. What we can do though is in display conditions, at the moment it's set for all pages. So I'm going to have it only appear on the home page. So when the condition is when a menu item is home, yeah, we add that condition and save it. So the pop-up will only appear now on the home page. So save that. And we're back in content. This is a basic demo, so I'll leave you to have a look around the different menu items up here. Right, if we go back to our demo site now and click refresh, yep, there's the pop-up. It's got the shadow behind and the border. I can close that, and we've told the pop-up to only appear on the home page. So if I click on any other page, you won't see it. But when we go to the home page, there it is. Okay, I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I make videos at least one a week, so please leave in the comments below if there's a topic that you'd particularly like me to cover in Joomla, and please subscribe. Otherwise, that's it. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.